Hello friends, today we are going to see very important topic of our English grammar, that is change the voice. Voice means in Marathi prayog. There are two types of voices. First active voice and second passive voice. Active voice means कर्तरी प्रयोग, in which subject or the door of the action is very important, and in passive voice object means karma, that is very important point. So now we are going to see in detail about the voices.
There are two types of voice. First, active voice and second, passive voice. Active voice means in Marathi it is called कर्तरी प्रयोग. In the active voice, the subject is the door of the action and the action passes over from the subject to the object. म्हणजे कर्तरी प्रयोगामध्ये कर्ता म्हणजे सब्जेक्ट सक्रिय क्रिया करणारा असतो व ती क्रिया कर्मावर म्हणजेच ऑब्जेक्टवर घडत असते. एक्झाम्पल, आय ईट अ मँगो. In this example, I is the subject, it is the verb, and a mango is the object. When we ask a question with who, we will find the subject. Second, passive voice means in Marathi it is called कर्मणी प्रयोग. In the passive voice, the subject is not the doer of the action, rather the action is done to the subject. म्हणजे कर्मणी प्रयोगामध्ये कर्ता म्हणजे सब्जेक्ट क्रिया करीत नाही, त्या वाक्यातील क्रिया कर्त्यावर घडत असते. कर्ता निष्क्रिय म्हणजेच पॅसिव्ह असतो, अशा वाक्याला आपण पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस म्हणतो. एक्झाम्पल, a mango is eaten by me. In this example, a mango is the object, is the to be form, eaten is the past participle of the verb, and by me means subject here, कर्त्याची झालेली द्वितीया. When we are going to change active voice into passive voice, first of all take the object at the first place, then we take to be form according to the new subject, म्हणजेच नवीन कर्त्यानुसार वचन, पुरुष, लिंग यांचा विचार करून योग्य ते टू बीचे रूप is, am, are, was, were यांपैकी एक. Then we will take the past participle of the verb means V3 क्रियापदाचे तिसरे भूतकाळी रूप. After it we will add by, and at last we write the subject. म्हणजेच ॲक्टिव्ह व्हॉइसमधील जो सब्जेक्ट होता त्याची द्वितीया आपण शेवटी वापरणार. मीन्स इफ देर इज आय, वी विल टेक मी, वी, अस, ही, हिम, सी, हर, दे, देम, यू, यू, as like this. Now we are going to see here one chart, means according to the tense how can we change the active voice into passive voice. First of all, we take simple in all the three tenses. Example, simple present tense. Active voice is she sings a song. She is the subject, sings is the V1, and a song is the object. Now we are going to make a passive voice of it. A song is sung by her. We take a song object at the beginning. Then to be formed, a song is the singular, so we take is. And why is? Because in active voice there is the verb sings, it is in present tense, so we take is. Then the past participle of the verb sing is sung, sing, sang, sung. Then by subject is the she, so we take her. A song is sung by her. Now see the second example. Simple past tense. Example: she sang a song. Passive voice is a song was sung by her. Once again, we take a song at the beginning, it is object. Then sang is the past tense form, so we take was. Then the past participle of the verb sing is the sung, and by her. A song was sung by her. As like this. Next, simple future tense. Example in active voice: she will sing a song. Answer: a song will be sung by her. Now once again see it. A song is the object. Then will, here is a simple future, will or shall, we take will here. The special word be, be, past participle of the verb is sung. Then by, and at last her. A song will be sung by her. Now see the next tense, that is the continuous, present continuous tense. Example in active voice: she is singing a song. Answer is a song is being sung by her. Once again say it. A song is the object, we take it at the beginning. Then to be formed, a song is the singular form, and there is the present tense, so we take is. A song is. Special word used here being, being, being. Then sung, past participle of the verb sing, by her. A song is being sung by her. Past continuous tense: she was singing a song. Answer is a song was being sung by her. Being, being is the special word used here. Remember, we can't convert active voice into passive voice of future continuous tense. See the next example. Present perfect tense. Example: she has sung a song. Passive voice is a song has been sung by her. Now see it carefully. First of all, we take object as a subject here. A song has is already there. Special word is used here been, B-E-E-N, and V3 means past participle of the verb is also already in perfect tense. So a song has been sung by her. Next, past perfect tense. She had sung a song. Answer: a song had been sung by her. Here, once again, a song is the object, so it becomes subject. In passive voice, then had is already there, special word been, V3 sung by her. A song had been sung by her. Next example, future perfect tense. She will have sung a song. Answer is: a song will have been sung by her. Means been is the special word used here. Now see some examples of imperative sentences. Means आज्ञार्थी वाक्यांचे पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस करताना काय बदल होतात ते. एक्झाम्पल: ब्रिंग दॅट बुक हिअर. Passive voice is let that book be brought here. Now see, in this active voice, bring is the verb and that book is the object. Means here subject is not available. So we begin the passive voice of this sentence with let, L-E-T, let. So let plus object that book, then special word be, B-E-B, then past participle of the verb brought, bring, brought. And here second example, give the order. Once again we will begin the passive voice of it with let, L-E-T, let the order be given. As like this, punish the guilty. Let the guilty be punished. Keep your hands up. Let your hands be kept up. Means here is the formula that let plus object plus be plus past participle of the verb. Now see some different types of examples here. In these examples there is the use of can, could, will, would, should, may, might, etc. So how can we change its active into passive voice? See the example. They must do it. Here they is the subject, do is the verb here, and it is object. So we begin with it. It must be done by them. Second example. He should leave the place. Once again we begin with object, means the place. The place should be, special word be, left by him. Another example. He would carry the load. The load would be carried by him. Here we use special word be, means object plus can, could, will, may, might plus be plus V3. Now see the next examples. In some examples there are two objects, means one is the direct object and another is the indirect object. ज्या वेळेस आपण कर्माला व्हॉटने प्रश्न विचारला त्यावेळेस आपल्याला डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट मिळेल आणि ज्यावेळेस आपण हुम ने प्रश्न विचारू त्यावेळेस आपल्याला इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट मिळेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सी गेव मी अ पेन. See that in this example, C is the subject, gave is the verb, me object, and a pen object. Means in this sentence there are two objects. Now once again we see how can we recognize the object here. First of all, I will going to ask a question with what. What did she give me? A pen. So a pen is the direct object. Whom did she give a pen? Me. Means me is the indirect object. We are going to change it into passive voice. First we take a object me, means it's become I. I was given a pen by her. Second answer of it, a pen was given to me by her. Means in this type of sentences there are two objects, but we can solve these types of examples with these two methods. Second example, I will teach you a lesson. See that here I is the subject, teach is the verb, and you and a lesson, these are two objects. So we change it into passive voice. See that first, you will be taught a lesson by me. Second, a lesson will be taught to you by me. Now remember one more point here. We can also make passive voice without by. For example, people speak English all over the world. Passive voice is English is spoken all over the world. Full stop. As like this, I write a letter. Answer is a letter is written. Means we can't use by here, and also we can't use the subject here, because in passive voice subject has no value. Action is important here, doer is not important. Now see that in our activity sheets there is the functional grammar. So most of the times object has been already given there, and sometimes there will be question that begin the sentence with dash dash dash, means that object there, or you can complete the following sentence as like this. Means object has already given there, and we have to complete the sentence with the help of the rules of the voice. I hope you understand this voice topic very well. You can also study it because it is important topic for us. I hope you will like this video very much. So please share this video to your friends, and also give your suggestions on this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you.